This is our room. This is our room. Look at the bed. This is Demi. You guys are making a video.
Another bathroom.
That's the bathroom.
I turned the light on in the bathroom.
That's Taryn's room. This is our kitchen area place.
They don't have that. What is that? Is that hair? Ew!
This is all the boys back. We're making videos. It's like, yeah, this is another bathroom. It's like open.
Does the light work?
No.
Oh, the light works in this one.
I know, but it's like hardly. He's just like stuffing it.
Oh, that's disgusting.
I brought my own toilet paper, guys.
Yeah, so did I too.
And toilet seat covers.
Yeah.
Okay. Taryn, you sharing your room with Mallory?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna do my bed now, Demi. So say bye.
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 Bye.